Hi, Eileen Bayer, the fam here. Welcome to another mail call. As you can see, we have two pieces of mail to open. The first one is from Raphael Scrapper. And let's see what we have in today's mail call. In today's mail call from Raphael, we have two of his stickers. The bright shiny one and the one that's not so bright, along with a nice note. It says, "Hey there, Eileen, here's a few stickers for you. Hope you like it and have a great one. Stay well, my friend, Raphael Scrapper," with a little smiley face. Thank you so much for the stickers, Raphael. They will be going on my board, and I will show that in the video after we open the second one. Now, the second one is from Irish Scrapper, and we're going to open the envelope. I want you to see me opening it. So, cover it up. And we have quite a few stickers from, whoops, I missed one. Wow. Okay, and this is what we have from Irish Scrapper. We have this sticker, and we have this sticker, and we have this one, and we have this one. So all these are going to go on my sticker board, which is what I'm going to do right now. Thank you so much, Irish Scrapper. So stay with me and walk over. You see the board in the background? This is where I'm going to put them. I'm going to walk right over here, and we're going to add these to the board. As soon as I can get my thumbtack out to put it up. We're going to put Raphael's right here. And put his other one right underneath. There's Raphael's. And then we're going to come here. And then we're going to put Scrapping Irish here. And put this one right here. Grab another tack so we can put that there. And then we're going to put these two right next to it. So, I don't want that to interfere with the name. So I'm going to stick this on the side, like that. And there you have it. I'm going to get out of the way so everybody can see the new stickers. Thank you, Raphael Scrapper and Scrapping Irish, for the stickers. You will be mentioned in this video. I do appreciate the stickers. They were very nice. I love getting different people's stickers. I would send out some of my stickers, but right now, I don't have the funds because I'm kind of in a financial strut right now with what I'm going through. But once again, thank you, Raphael Scrapper and Scrapping Irish. Have a great day, everybody. Love you.